My name is Ankit Shyamsukha. I am from ICA. We are a vocational training institute helping students connect them with their first jobs through skill development. We help students train in industrial skills, in what the industry demands, and then connect them with their first job. Over the past 22 years, we have connected 5 lakh students in the fields of accounts, banking, finance, taxation alone, with a network of over 300 centers across the country. The single most important factor in what makes or breaks a business. No business decision can be taken without data analytics, and data plays a very important role in each and every aspect of a business. For a network as large as ours, where we want to connect with each of our students, we want to understand the market dynamics and how the students take admission, automating their entire admission process, right from the lead generation to converting them to admissions, is something where we believe technology plays a very important role. And I believe with the help of ExtraaEdge, we are able to analyze the data way better. We have a solution at hand which helps us understand the buying behavior of the customer and also helps us identify the areas we need to improve on. So we have been associated with ExtraaEdge for over 4 years now. And in this association, what stands apart at ExtraaEdge is the support. Along with technology, support is always needed, and the exceptional support that we have received from ExtraaEdge, be it for the reports, be it upgradations to their lead capturing mechanism, this is something we are very, very satisfied with. The experience of implementing the CRM was very, very smooth. Obviously, implementing any new system comes with its own challenges. There are initial roadblocks, hesitations from the team, and changes. Human nature is not to accept change very easily. However, with the support of the ExtraaEdge team and with the support and the acceptance from our team also, we were able to install ExtraaEdge in all of our centers. And with the help of ExtraaEdge, we have been able to improve on our digital conversions by over 20%. And also we have been able to have a better picture of what is happening in these centers when a lead walks in, right to the time when it's converted. So ExtraaEdge has helped us identify the customer decision process in a very, very scientific way, because of which today we have access to a transparent real-time data across the country. So like I said, every technology solution is incomplete without support and training. And this is where I believe ExtraaEdge stands out. Each and every member in the team ExtraaEdge, and I mean it, have been accessible to us right from the day one. Be it their founder, be it their brilliant team, be it their even sales team for that matter of fact, all of them helped us ensure the system does not fail. And selling the system is just part one of the process. After that comes implementation, then comes the review, then comes troubleshooting. And I can say this with experience that Team ExtraaEdge leaves no stone unturned to answer all the queries we have. And the support has been exceptional right from day zero. And this is the only reason why we have stuck with the platform. We continue to use it and we continue to co-develop it with them. And special mention to Sushilia, because his support is always extremely valuable. ExtraaEdge is a power-packed ERP for many institutions. So depending upon it is irrespective in which part of the education industry you are from, be it a school, be it a college, be it an institutional vocational education like ours, or be it a tech only platform selling online courses. You need a CRM platform to understand your customer psyche, customer buying behavior, and the stages the customer goes through, and this has to be automated. ExtraaEdge covers all the aspects of a customer life cycle in the education industry, and I strongly believe that this is a very, very good product which helps people, businessmen, focus on business. And when you have a control over data, your management bandwidth increases. You are able to take informed decisions. You are able to formulate better strategies, because with data comes the power of insight, and without insight, no business decision is perfect. I would recommend everybody to use technology, and if that technology means implementing a CRM tool such as ExtraaEdge, I would definitely root for it. I've been using ExtraaEdge at ICA, and the entire team, the entire network is very happy with it, and it makes only sense to upgrade and have better tools which helps you increase business. So anything that helps business increase is something I would always recommend. So I would recommend people to adopt ExtraaEdge.